Hello guys, today I'm at West Ealing on Saturday the 7th of November 2020, and today I'm filming with Trainspotter and Football Fan and DVD, but he's not here just yet. There's a lot of trains to film today, and here's a TfL Rail Class 345 train going to Paddington. Class 345 service. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and there's a lot of trains to see, so yeah, enjoy the video guys. Okay, departing now is the GWR Class 165 to Greenford from West Ealing. Look at that train in action! It's an IEP service, an IET from Paddington. Okay, that GWR train is going to Greenford, calling at Drayton Green, Castle Bar Park, South Greenford and Greenford. Look at that train in action. It's a class 387 from Paddington. I think it's going to Didcot Parkway. That train goes to London Paddington. Alright, arriving now. It's a TfL rail service going to London Paddington. Probably going from Heathrow Terminal 5. Here it is. Right, departing now is the TfL rail service going to London Paddington. Calling at Ealing Broadway, Acton Main Line and London Paddington. And this is the service, I'm guessing it's from Heathrow Terminal 5. One of these trains will go to Heathrow Terminal 4. And arriving in now is the 1314 TfL rail service to Heathrow Terminal 5. Calling out Hanwell, Southall, Hayes and Harlington, Heathrow Central for Terminals 2 and 3, and Heathrow Terminal 4. This must be Trainspotter and Football Fan and DVD coming in right now. This is the service from London Paddington. Departing now is the 1314 TfL rail service from London Paddington to Heathrow Terminal 5. Calling at Hanwell, Southall, Hayes and Harlington, Heathrow Central for Terminals 2 and 3 and Heathrow Terminal 5. And I don't know if I've seen Trainspotter and Football Fan and DVD yet. Maybe I might soon. Look who's turned up. Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Hello.
Yeah.
Are you ready for some train spotting?
Yeah.
Tell me where we are.
West Ealing.
I've just filmed a couple of trains before you came here.
That's good.
Tell me how you got here, please.
Starting from my house.
So, what was your journey?
Haringey Green Lanes to Gospel to Wilson Junction because the train was going to Richmond. Then I changed onto the Clapham Junction train to Shepherd's Bush, Central Line to Ealing Broadway, and then TfL to West Ealing.
Oh yeah, I'm guessing your train. Yeah, I thought you arrived, and here you are.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Yeah.
What was that? An IET service? I think it was a Class 800 going to Paddington. Here's a TfL rail train. Oh, a horn. Just put a thumbs up. I think it's going to Reading from London Paddington. That's an IET. And that was a Heathrow Express train from Terminal 5 to Paddington. Fast service. Right, arriving in now is a TfL Rail Class 345 service coming from either Hayes and Harlington or Terminal 5 to Paddington. Departing now, the TfL Rail Class 305, the 1327 service to London Paddington. Next stop is Ealing Broadway. And here's one coming to Hayes and Harlington. Nice red poppy here. Alright guys, departing right now is the 1330 TfL Rail service to Hayes and Harlington, calling at Southall and Hayes and Harlington. The next stop will be Southall. It's not calling at Hanwell. It was held for like a second. And this is the service from London Paddington. In the beautiful distance over there. Off it goes. Perfect! Arriving in now is a GWR Class 165 terminating at Greenford from terminating at West Ealing, terminating at West Ealing from Greenford. Look at that train in action. Those trains are wicked. Heathrow Express Class 332 going to Heathrow Terminal 5. Look at that train in action.
Go the gate using contactless or Oyster. If you need to top up and buy Oyster, do this online.
We've got a
or the
TfL rail
TfL
train
app.
passing.
Our staff can give you more information, but please remember to
Next stop's Ealing Broadway. Arriving in now is the TfL rail service to Paddington.
This train is currently at Ealing Broadway.
The good old purple trains.
From 2155 tonight.
GWML rail service to Heathrow Terminal 5. Calling at Hanwell, Southall, Hayes and Harlington.
Arriving in now is the 1344 TfL rail service to the Heathrow Terminal 5.
Of 9:30.
Party now is the 1344 TfL rail service to Heathrow Terminal 5. Calling at Hanwell, Southall, Hayes and Harlington, Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3 and Terminal 5. The next stop will be Hanwell. Passing now is a GWR Class 387 to London Paddington.
The entry platform and the
arriving in now is a TfL rail service to London Paddington from Terminal 5, I think. Here it is. The beautiful purple train. And there's the train that goes to Paddington. Off it goes. Loads of IET trains. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching the trains at West Ealing. Thank you for watching a lot of trains. You can see the Class 165 just standing there. Oh well. Anyways, I hope to enjoy this video at West Ealing. Trainspotter and Football Fan and DVD is over here. Please subscribe to his channel. He has so many subscribers. So please subscribe to him. And here's our train to Hayes and Harlington, the 1400 service. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all at Hayes and Harlington.